Morning, tubers. Well, somebody accused me of liking to do car repairs. And if I really did like to do car repairs, I'd have a junk car sitting in the driveway, and I don't. There's no project car here. You know, that's just not happening. But what is happening is I drove the truck home last night, yesterday, parked it, and then tried to start it, and it just wouldn't go. I think it's the battery. Let's see if it'll start this morning. Oh, it barely turns over and then goes click, 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 click. I think it's the battery. So let's pop the hood. And we'll take a peek. Now yesterday, I actually took the terminals, the post off, and I cleaned them all up. But that didn't work. So let's pop this battery out and get a brand new one. I think that's the fix. You can't say the truck's in bad shape if it's just a battery. All right, on this truck, to get the battery off, it's a pair of vice grips and a 1/2 inch. Well, let me get to this side. Maybe I thought it was a 1/2 inch. Yep. Yep, and the vice grips. I'm blocking the view for everything, aren't I? Listen, I'm gonna shut it off. You don't need to see me take off a battery. Okay, well, through a little camera magic and a trip to AutoZone, I've got a brand new battery sitting in there, nice and tight, terminals clean, greased. Let's find out if this bad boy will start, because really that's the question. If I get in it, will it crank up? I have fixed the truck again. I'm a genius. Qualified shade tree mechanic right here. Yeah, it's got the good rub up. Working fine. And that is the video. I do car repairs when my truck is broken, not before.